Wade Tate drives miles every day on a forklift. For most of his life, he never even drove a car.
I stayed locked up 25 years. I had a murder charge.
Tate is an ex-con. DSI Warehouse of Memphis, Tennessee hired him through Hope Works, a service that recommends former felons. Prior to that, he couldn't find work.
They never call you back. So you learn quickly that it's hindering you from getting a job.
Tate says what needs to be removed is this question on every employment application. Have you ever been convicted of a felony? Even DSI, with its record of hiring felons, didn't realize it was still on their application until we pointed it out to them.
It just doesn't bother us to give somebody a chance. We really feel like we've all made mistakes. Some made bigger mistakes than others.
I agree, but that's still part of your past.
John Kelly runs Kelly Generators in Maryland. He says businesses have a duty to know everything about a prospective employee because they owe it to their other employees.
I would hate to hire a controller or somebody for the controller position who had been, had been going to jail for embezzlement. For me to not know that before I hire him and then have him in a position when there's a fiduciary duty, I mean, it's just ludicrous for us not to be allowed to know that. I mean, it just doesn't make, it goes against common sense.
Currently, 7 states prohibit private employers from asking about a criminal past on job applications. 14 states have deleted the question from some public jobs. But banning the box refers to the initial job application. Employers can still conduct background checks and ask the question in an interview. Carolyn Presutti, VOA News, Memphis, Tennessee.